Hey guys, well, welcome to Maryland. We made it. We are in Stevensville, and we're getting ready to start this tiki hut. So let me show you guys where we're working. We got to go across here. Woohoo. All right. So there's the poles. I had a couple of my guys come down almost 2 months ago and set the poles. But we're going to do this is a 9x12 tiki hut, and we're going to do a cedar wall right behind it. And then I think what Mark's going to do is after we're gone, he's going to run his electric and do whatever he's got to do. So we're going to get this show on the road here. There's a truck and trailer. Guys are getting ready to unload, or actually unloading now. So we left right about 5. It's about 8 o'clock now. So it wasn't too bad. There's nobody on the road at that time. So we got down here pretty quick, and then when this job's finished, we're heading to Dallas, North Carolina to install that tiki bar. So until the next video, Tiki Kev out. All right, guys. Well, I forgot to take the videos in the middle. So sorry once again. This isn't an instructional video. It's just to show you guys what we do. Oh, there's Emily. And there's this weekend's crew. We got Lamb, Daniel, and Walt back from the graves. Or at least from a couple of weeks ago. So let me show you what we got done. I showed you guys when we first got here, but forgot to take a video yesterday. We got all the woodworking done yesterday, and then it was about 3 o'clock, and it was who knows how hot. So we got an early start today. We thatched the roof. What time is it?
11.
It's 11. We got here at 8, so we're all done. We're all cleaned up. And this is a 12x9 tiki hut with Endura Reed Viva 3.0. Color is weathered on this one, not natural. And we put a cedar back wall in as well. And Mark, the homeowner, he is going to build his own bar and put it under here. So, and it's already hot. It's got to be close in the 90s already. It's only 11. So, show you a little bit of the framing. And like I said, we got all the woodworking done yesterday. And if you guys recall, these are the poles that Carter and Michelle put in back in April. So it was a big help considering this is the hottest week of the year so far. We're supposed to break 100 tomorrow here, but we're heading down to Carolinas. So it's not supposed to be quite as hot, only maybe 4 or 5 degrees cooler. But this one is done. And who put this? Who did this? Who did this? Oh yeah, Tiki Kev. Yeah, I'm a little tired. It's hot. We left the shop yesterday at 5 in the morning. Got here about 8. Worked till 3 yesterday, and the sun was super hot. All right, and there we go. All right, so that's it. So from the crew, Liam, Walt, Daniel, and Emily, who showed up this morning to help on the next project. All right, so we are out of here. We will see you guys in Dallas, North Carolina. So from, where are we? Kent Island, Stevensville, Maryland. Tiki Kev out.